What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? It's your man, Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. Man, I am excited for this upcoming week's. This upcoming week we have some exciting opportunities. I'm looking forward to. Everything is going absolutely according to plan. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can get this work as soon as it's available. I'm going to try to help you guys out, help you guys make some money as usual. I hope you guys are ready. Without taking too much of your time, let's start it off like we always do. Let's go ahead and get into the update for the Roth portfolio. Everything is going absolutely according to plan. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel. If you want to support the channel, click one of the links in the bio. Let's get into the economics calendar for the week. Monday, November 25th. No special events scheduled, no news, good news. Tuesday, consumer confidence, new home sales, Fed minutes for November. We're going to be looking forward to that. Wednesday, initial jobless claims, durable goods orders, advanced wholesale inventories, GDP first revisions, personal income, PCE. This is what everyone is going to be looking forward to. So the market is going to get kind of volatile. I imagine SPY is going to start to go sideways. So keep that in mind. And what else do we have? Thursday, of course, Thanksgiving. So beware of that for any transactions you might have to make as far as the bank. So keep that in mind for Wednesday, Thursday, as well as Friday. There are no events scheduled, which is, that's just a good thing. No news, definitely good news. As far as the almanac goes, for this week, the 25th, historically bullish. So SPY over 2/3 of the time we're bullish. Tuesday, historically bullish. Wednesday, historically bullish 71% of the time on SPY. Obviously, the market closed Thursday, and on Friday, it is a shortened trading day. The last trading day of November, the S&P has been down 16 of the last 25 trading sessions. Let's get into some of the tickers we're going to be talking about this week. One of the tickers we're going to look at, Workhorse. We all know Workhorse. I believe it's out of Ohio, American company. This was popular with retail traders a couple years ago. There was UPS deals, I believe, or something like that. Or sorry, United States Postal Service deals, and there was all this Oshkosh talk and all this kind of stuff about who would get these contracts and whatnot. So we remember Workhorse. So we're going to get into that today. Just want to always show you, if you want to learn about the companies, always make sure that you're going to check out those websites. The other one we're going to be looking at this week is NIO. I love NIO. Electric vehicles. I think they're pretty awesome. I actually saw the supercar when they first came out a few years ago. I actually want to get one, but this stuff is not available in the United States. That supercar was just absolutely amazing. The other thing we're going to look at is PACB I. So yeah, we're going to get into these tickers. So these are all real companies. I just want to bring this to life. So when we're looking at this stuff, obviously a lot of people just see products around, but these are actually real things that make money, right? Or have potential to make money. So let's go ahead and get into the actual setups for these things. I want to point out some things because we always like to take this top-down approach. One of the things I got on my chart, XLRE, this is real estate, right? So this is a part of SPY right here, and it tracks the real estate, a lot of REITs. And we have this coming off of a monthly broadening formation. So if we zoom out on these charts, we see Real estate has been going absolutely crazy, and I'm looking for it to take out some highs eventually. We got this nice inside quarter pushing up off that. So when we get into real estate, there's a reason for that. A Russell, absolutely floating right now. Small caps, we're going to look to take out some highs. We got this 2460.8. We're definitely going to take that out sooner than later. And then IBB, this is genomics. And if you can see right here, especially stands out on the week where we're above this quarterly broadening formation. And we got a lot of range back to the other side, 152.5 level. So a lot of people, they don't typically deal with a lot of these bio stocks. You know, most people like tech because it's what they can relate to, but there are definitely opportunities across the market if you are aware of those, or if you're looking for things. There's a lot of opportunities that you can make a lot of money from that people may not realize. So anyway, let's get into the setups for this week. One, I don't actually have an entry for this one, but I actually got into this because I'm going to use it to share, to sell cover calls and different things like that. But one is open door, super strong. Look for maybe to get in around 180. But this doesn't have any real entries. It went outside week, so we expect some price action open inside, and then even if you get the 3-2 week, you can kind of get some expansion. I'll show you what that looks like. You get some expansion, so you maybe get a level here, 205, maybe some pullback. Then we want to see it settle over that 205 level to get the next leg up. So there's not really any entries right now because it was so strong last week. But if you do get any discounts, I'm going to be looking to add more shares there. As far as the setups we're looking at for this week, absolutely loving Workhorse right now. Penny stock, it's $1.10. If we look at the highs, I mean, we saw how this did during 2020 and all these crazy run-ups that it had, right? So this one, I'm actually looking for a 2-day entry. Let me go to the 2-day chart so I can show you what this looks like. We're above this monthly broadening formation. The first stop is going to be around $2.30. Pretty simple, right? So that's a 2-1-2 day above $1.19. You got the weekly entry up here if you want to get the 2-1-2 week. But for the lower entry, it's around 119. We closed at 110. If you see any discounts, definitely try to take advantage of those. It is currently green on the quarter. You saw it went 2 up on a month. So everything is absolutely looking good over there on Workhorse, one of those small cap companies we want to try to take advantage of. Another small cap darling, we all know about NIO, obviously, right? So this was just literally about 775 was this last month, right? Set up some crazy opportunities. I'm already in this right here. You can see this quarter turn green. The month went 2 down. It pushed back over this key 50% level around, what's this, 483. So this is pretty clean. So we're going to just push this back up. First target around the $6 mark. Second target over 8. And then if we actually zoom out on these charts, you can see there's a lot of potential to go to the upside, especially once you get past the $8 mark. We should really get to going. And they actually do have some catalysts. They're coming out with a new brand. I believe it's called like Firefly or something like that. In December, they should be having an event for that. So I'm saying the stuff wrong. Please forgive me, but I believe that's what the event is. This one has a really good setup on the week. We're looking for a 2-2 week above $4.92. I don't think it's going to get any cleaner than this. And again, these are just some of these penny stocks. A lot of potential, a lot of retail. Everybody knows about these stocks, right? But it's not about the stock. It's about when you buy the stock, right? So I'm somebody, I like to buy stocks when they're inexpensive because that's how I tend to make more money. The last one we talked about, PACB, Pacific Biosciences, pretty clean setup here. We like to buy low. This has a 2-2 week above $1.89. Pretty clean. first stop we're looking at is about 264. Now, what I'm excited about is the potential if it breaks above that 264. There's literally nothing there really. I mean, this is easy 5x right here. Give it some time, right? Easy 5x here. So let's give it some time. So hopefully you guys learned something, got some cool setups for the week. If you guys have any questions for me, make sure to put those down in the comments below. If you guys get any wins, make sure to put those in the comments below. All these stocks, they're going to be absolutely wonderful for options. So make sure you get to the options chain, analyze some contracts. Didn't do it on this video for the sake of time, but if you want to learn how to do that, you can definitely check out some of the previous videos where we get into the contracts and we kind of analyze some things, right? So with that being said, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. Let's get this money. With that being said, it's your man Boss Gang VIP with the Weekly Money Watch. Catch up with you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.